Hi guys, Con here. So today I'm at this event by Efkon. Right, so these guys, Efkon, they are the suppliers for smart tags, okay? The smart tags that we know, right? But now they have reproduced their own version of smart tag called E-Tag, which you can buy directly from them. Okay, so up until recently, smart tag you can buy only from touch and go outlets. Now you can buy the smart tag through directly from the supplier themselves. So yep, we've got this with our Evo Club Special Edition Touch and Go here. So this version of they call it the E-Tag lah, with the E-Tag brand. Okay, E-Tag. Now, so this E-Tag, right? Apparently there are two improvements over the standard, the previous smart tag. Now, first improvement is they've got a new processor. I'm not sure what is the significance of that. But second, the most important improvement is that these displays always gone one, right? So they claim that this new unit, they have improved the durability of this display. So you can so means that next time there won't be any instances where when you press this to check balance, blank screen. Yeah, so that's one thing that they claim to have improved on. So after this, I'm going to just take this home and I'm going to compare with the existing smart tags, that one of the existing smart tags I have with me in my car. All right guys, so right now I'm back home. I have two versions of this. Is the smart tag. Okay, this is the previous version of the smart tag, also manufactured by Efkon, as you can see from here. Let me just move this to a place where you can get focus. Yeah, Efkon here. This is the E-Tag that I just picked up today. Okay, so roughly the same labels. You have this extra MCMC stamp here. This one does not. All right, so let me just put two side by side. Okay, this is at this angle, and you have the displays. So I'll show you. This is the old smart tag. I'll just show you the display here. See, so this is a very common problem with the smart tag. But with this E-Tag, okay, Efkon said they have upgraded the quality, and it has been already implemented with more newer units of this one. And so supposedly the failure, okay, this LCD screen failure has become less. The build quality between these two, from what I can tell, actually somehow this one I think feels a bit heavier and more solid than this, right? When you take out the touch and go cards, they are slightly different. They use the E-Tag is black, this is white, but it's a very superficial kind of difference. Yeah. So one more thing. When you change the 9-volt battery, okay, of this of your E-Tag or smart tag, right, it is always recommended to use either Energizer or GP brand battery, or even Duracell. All right, the idea is that you should use super alkaline batteries. Okay, according to the Efkon people, they say that super alkaline batteries give the performance properties that are best suited for the application of the smart tag. Okay, so yeah, anyways, moving forward, okay, although the government is talking about implementation of RFID and all, we know that it's not going to be an overnight thing. Okay, smart tag is not good. The touch and go system is not going away anytime soon. So the smart tag would still have its usefulness for at least a good 5 or 10 years down the road. And so you can still continue to get your official smart tag from touch and go, or you can just buy directly from Efkon. This E-Tag is the same thing. If you buy the touch and go brand, the smart tag branded one, whatever after sales, right, you send this back to touch and go, they will just forward it to Efkon to do the whatever repairs and all that. Yeah, so basically one and the same, depends on which one you want. Okay, I was told that this E-Tag from Efkon is priced at 148 ringgit. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like my content, click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon to toggle the frequency of updates every time I upload a new video. And don't forget also to check out the channels of Bobby, Bing and Fadil, okay, of the Horizon team. And until my next video, thanks for watching. Bye for now.